Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. In the textbook, open the page number 39 where you will find out some number story. How many bulbs? A factory made 270 bulbs on the first day. On the second day, it made 123 bulbs. So, how many bulbs did the factory make all together? So, here in the factory, number of bulbs will be made on first day is this 270, on the second day 123 bulbs. So how many all together? We are going to do the addition, then we will find out the bulbs all together. So 270, the statement is bulb made on first day, and 123 which are bulbs made on second day. By doing the addition, we will get the answer 390. 0 plus 3, 3, 7, 8, 9, 2 plus 1, 3. So, now turn your page number 40, where you will find out the second number example. A shopkeeper, Rafi, had 153 candles and Paras gave him 237 more candles. Then how many candles does Rafi have now? See, he has some candles already, and the salesman gave him a more candles. So if we here we have to find out the total number of candles. For that, we will do the addition. So addition would be like this. Look at here, 153 which is candle with Rafi, and 237 candle given by Paras. Okay, after doing addition, 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ka 0, carry 1. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. So, which are the total number of candles? Now, number A, a train compartment is carrying 132 people. Another compartment is carrying 129 people. In all, how many people are there in both the compartment? तो दोनों compartment में कितने people होंगे? So for that, what will we do? You will do the addition. Here 132 which are people in first compartment and 129 which are people in second compartment. By doing the addition, we will find out the total number of people. So 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. So 11 ka 1, carry 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 1, 2. Now on the next page, you will have another example. Sonu found 138 pebbles and Karim found 44 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find in all? So what will you do? You will do the addition for that. Here 138 which is pebble with Sonu and 44 which is pebble with Karim, and by doing the addition, 8 plus 4 12, 2 carry 1, 3 plus 4 7 plus 1 8 and 1 182 which are total number of pebbles collected by Sonu and Karim. Now here number C, a teacher kept a note of which fruit student like in her school. This is what she found. Okay, here these are the fruits. Here boys, girls, and here total, and here is also a total. We have to find out different things based on this table. How many students in the school like oranges? So हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज बोथ आर स्टूडेंट्स, सो इन दोनों का एडिशन करेंगे. देन आफ्टरवर्ड वी विल फाइंड आउट टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट which are like oranges. Fine. So 6 plus 8, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ka 4, carry 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 and 1 plus 1, 2. So 264 oranges. Mangoes. अभी क्या है? How many students in the school like mangoes? For that, we will do the addition of total number of girls and boys which like mangoes, and then we will find out the total number of students in a school which are like mangoes. Okay, so 0 plus 3, 3, 4 plus 4, 8, 2 plus 2, 4, 483. Number C, all together, how many students are in the school? तो देखो, these are the students like oranges and these are students like mangoes. By doing addition of both the numbers, we will find out the total number of students. Okay, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 8, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 4 carry 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 747. Is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? So what will you do? For that, you are going to do the addition of the girls. Only girls who like oranges and mangoes. Okay. So 0 plus 6, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. So 376, which is greater than 350. So we can say that number of girls are more than 350. Now turn your page. Here you will get the practice time. These are some addition and that you have to do it in the notebook, and these are the addition that you will do it in homework in the textbook only. Okay, I will show you the one. Rest of the example you will do it yourself. 9 plus 3, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 2 carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 plus 3, 6. So this way you will complete all the examples. Now on the next page, page number 43, where you will find out the another activity. Work out 4 different way to write the numbers. Okay, here the different way to write the numbers has been given, like first we'll start with this number 78. 59 has already given. So 78 means 70 plus 8. 50 plus 28, because 50, 60, 70 plus 8, 78, 30. 40, 50, 60, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 40 plus 8. So 30 plus 48. Make sure ये जो टेंस प्लेस है ना उसका एडिशन 7 होना चाहिए. एनी हाउ 20 plus 58. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now 83, that's super easy. What will you do? First 80 plus 3, then 40 plus 40, 80 plus 3, 83. 50 plus 30, 80 plus 3, 83. 20 plus 60, 80 plus 3, 83. This way. Here 168. So what will you do for that? 120. As I told you, यहाँ पे अभी दो number you have to see the 100 place and the tens place. So 20 plus 40, 60. 160 plus 8. 150 plus 10, 60. 160 plus 8. 168. 100 plus 68. 130 plus 30. 160 plus 8. 168. So this way rest of the two example you will do it yourself. See, I am going to show you this one. Okay. So here is 100 plus 2. अभी 50 है. Okay, तो 52. Right? 50 plus 50, 100 plus 2. 102. यहाँ पे लिखते हैं 60 plus 40 plus 2, 102. 30. Okay. Plus 70, 100 plus 2, 102. So this way you will do this yourself. Now on the next page, page number 44, where you will find out this activity. This is super easy. What will you do in this? you have to do the addition first of all these numbers. These are super easy because we had practice of the addition a lot in the workbook. So we will use it over here. 50 plus 25 plus 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 5, 55 plus 3, 58. Here 40, 30, 70 plus 9, 79 plus 1, 80. 700 for 750. So this way you will do the addition like this. Dekho 600, 700, 70, 80, 90, 790. 300, 200, 500, 80 plus 10, 90, 590. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड द 100 प्लेस फर्स्ट. 6 plus 2 8, 855. Understood? So you have to learn it orally. 600, 728. So this way we will do the addition and you will match the path according to the answer, like 95, 150, 58, 80, 700, 750, 790, 590, till that you will reach the bag. Here we have to find out the path towards the bag as per the answers. Okay. Now 45. On the page number 45, you will find out this activity. Here is a card game. One day, Bansri and Gopu were playing. Bansri gave 3-number card to Gopu and he arranged the card in 2 ways. Okay, यहाँ पे 2 way पे arrangement है and we are going to do this. Here is a 150 minus 30 is equal to 120. By doing addition of both the number, we will get this answer. Because in a subtraction, the first number is always biggest, then rest of the other number. So 120 plus 30 is 150 and you can interchange the place of these numbers. Then still you will get the same answer. 30 plus 120 is equal to 150. Same thing we are going to do it over here. First of all, there is an addition fact. So 50 plus 20 is 70. That you have to find out. Again, I am going to interchange the numbers. 20 plus 50 is equal to 70. So now we will write down the subtraction fact for this addition. Now 70 minus 50 is 20 and 70 minus 20 is 50. Okay, so here is 30 plus 12 is 42. You have to find out the correct number for the addition first. Secondly, you will interchange the number. Still, the answer remains same. Now, I will write down the subtraction fact. So, in subtraction, first number is always bigger. Don't forget that. Minus 12 is equal to 30 and minus 30 is equal to 12. So, these are the subtraction fact. Now look at the workbook on the page number 48 where you will find out the question number 5 in which you have to do the subtraction. Okay, before we'll doing subtraction, all you have to know that we can subtract the small number from the bigger one. Okay, बड़े number में से छोटे number को minus करते हैं. And if it is a smaller number like this, 2 minus 7, 2 is a smaller than 7. So we cannot subtract in that case. For that we need to borrow from the previous number. So let's begin with this. Here I am not going to do each and every sum. Some sums I will left for you to do it yourself. Fine. So here we'll start with number 1. 67 minus 35. So this is a revisional kind of exercise because in the second standard we had done all these things very deeply. So 7 minus 5. In that case, what you have to do? You have to count after 5, 6 and 7. How many curds are this? These are 2 curds. So 2 is your answer. 6 minus 3. So you have to count after 3. 4, 5 and 6, and you will stop at this number. Okay, 4, 5, 6. 3 cards are there, and write down 3 over there. That's super easy. I'm going to show you again. 78 minus 24. Okay, so first you will subtract the ones place and then you will subtract the tens place. So 8 minus 4. You will start counting after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many cards are this? These are 4 cards. 7 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are 5 cards. Now 97 minus 46. So 7 minus 6. After 6, 7. 1 card. 9 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 5 cards. So write down there 5. So these are the numbers which are not having any borrow. Now from the 11 number you will get one line over here. That means these are having borrow. And what is the difference between this subtraction and this? I will show you. Here 2 minus 7. So 32 minus 17. Right? First we'll subtract the ones place. Then we'll subtract the tens place. So 2 minus 7. These are not 2 fingers. From the 2 fingers, can you subtract 7 fingers? No, this is completely not possible. Whenever you will feel that मुझे borrow में समझ नहीं आ रही है, during that time just make the fingers. 2 fingers, you cannot subtract 7. That means you have to take borrow. So while you are taking borrow, make sure once you cut the one number, at the same time you cut the next number. So here 3 before 2. And here 1 and the number which you cut, or we can say that 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are 5 cards. Write down here 5. 2 minus 1, 1. That's super easy. Now 43 minus 26. Okay, so again 3 is we cannot subtract 6 from 3. So we'll take borrow. Once you cut one number, at the same time you cut the next one. 4 before 3. और यहाँ पे जो 10 नंबर है, 10 ones है, वो यहाँ आगे शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे. So it becomes 10 plus 3 means 30. So 13 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 7 and 3 minus 2 is 1. See, again I am going to show you 54 minus 28. So 4, from the 4 we cannot subtract 8. So what will you do in that case? You will take borrow. Once you cut the one number, at the same time you cut the next number. 5 before 4, and here on the 4, 10 plus 4, 14. Okay. ये 10 आगे से शिफ्ट होते हैं, that's why it becomes 40. Now 14 minus 8. You will start counting after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6 is there. 6 cuts. So you will write down here 6. And 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. I'm going to show you this again. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. You can easily subtract that. See, I'm going to show you the random numbers. Look. 2 minus 5. From the 2, you cannot subtract 5. So, you will cut one number. At the same time, you cut the next number. 7 before 6. Here is 1 and the number which you cut. This is the another trick. बहुत simple है. जो भी number cut करो, उस 1 के बाजू में वो number लगा दो. That's it. So, 6, 12 minus 5. You will count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here is 7. 6 minus 4, 2. So this is the way. These are some horizontal subtraction. That's super easy. आपको ये याद रखना है. The first number is always bigger. So 6 minus 0 is 6 and 8 minus 6. After 6, 7 and 8. 2 cuts. 6 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6. 6, 2, and 5 minus 3 after 3, 4, 5, 2. So these are the subtraction without borrow. Okay. See again, 7 minus 3, 4, and 7 minus 3, 4. That's super easy. 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. On the next page, you will get more subtraction. These are the subtraction with the with borrow. See, 1 minus 2. Not possible. Cut, cut. 6 before 5, 1 and the number which you cut. So 11 minus 2 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are 9. And 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 0, 6, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So this way you will do it. 63 minus 26. So 3 minus 6 is not possible. So what will you do? You will take borrow like this. Here is 5 and here is 1 and the number which you cut. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So this way you will do rest of the subtraction yourself. Now next exercise is fill in the empty box. That's super easy. यहाँ पे भी आपको एक tricky याद रखनी है. That's it. In addition, right? In addition, always the answer is biggest than the rest of the two number. In subtraction, the first number is always biggest than rest of the two number. So make sure addition में यहाँ पे box हो या फिर first number पे box हो या second number पे. Always you have to do the subtraction. Fine. देखो एक simple सी बात है. I'm going to show you 2-3 examples. Then rest of the example I had already explained in live lectures. So please concentrate in the lectures as well. So here 57 minus 34. So 7 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. And 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Same thing here. We will do the subtraction as this is the first number. There is a blank in the first number. So 7 minus 6 is 1 and 8 minus 4 is 4. Just like that. Again, second number you will do the subtraction. 9 minus 7, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. Very simple. Okay, again you will do the subtraction. 4 minus 7 minus 4 is 3 and 7 minus 1 is 6. So this is the way you will do it in the addition. All the addition you will do the similar thing. Okay, now we'll move to the subtraction part. So in subtraction what you have to do? If you are having box at the first place तो आपको addition करना है, and if you are having box at the second place तो आपको subtraction करना है. That's super easy. See, this is here we have a box at the second place. So what will you do? You have to subtract this number from this. Okay, so 7 minus 3 is 4 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Now here the box at the first place. So what will you do? You will do the addition. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 3 plus 2 is 5. Very simple. Again यहाँ पर है तो subtraction करेंगे. यहाँ पर first पे है तो addition करेंगे. See, I'm going to do this. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, समझ आई? See, I'm going to show you the subtraction so you will get an idea. I'm telling you right or not. See, here is a 10, 8. 6, 7, 8, 10 minus 5, 5. See, you are getting this answer. So, this is super easy. Using this technique, you will complete all the examples. Now, we'll move to the question number 7. As for example, you have to add the number using the given examples. That's super easy. Here, they are showing you the shortcut. For example, 32 plus 56. 32 का मतलब 30 plus 2 and 56 का मतलब 50 plus 6. See, we are writing the expanded form of this number. So, here is 30, 50, 80. 6 plus 2, 8. 80. 80 plus 8, 88. 40 plus 30, 20 plus 5. And 40, 20, 60. 5 plus 3, 8. 60 plus 8, 68. 80 plus 4 and 10 plus 3. So 80 plus 10 is 90 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So 90 plus 7 is 97. 31 plus 57. So 30 plus 1 and 50 plus 7. So 30 plus 50, 80, and 7 plus 1, 8. 36 plus 23. So 30 plus 6 plus 20 plus 3. And we will do the addition 30, 20, 50, and 6 plus 3, 9. So this way you will expand the number and do the addition easily and quickly. Now turn the page number 50, where you will find out the next exercise. See here the same exercise, right? 42 plus 52, so 40 plus 2, 42, and 50 plus 2, 52. 40, 50, 90, 2 plus 2, 4. So is equal to 94. Here question number 8, where you will do the addition. That's super easy. 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 2, 6. So 6, 9, 7. Okay, so these are the addition without carry. 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 8. So I thought you can do it yourself. 6 plus 3, 9, 5 plus 5, 6, 7, and 9. Try to do it orally just like me, okay? Because it will help you later on, it will help you a lot. Fine. Next, these are the vertical additions. All are vertical addition. 1 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 0, 2, and 5, 6, 7. 7, 7, 7. Okay, so these are vertical addition. On next is question number 9, which is horizontal additions, which are horizontal additions. So that's super easy. 100, tens, and ones. First you will add the ones place, then tens, and then 100. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. That's super easy. See, ones, tens, and 100. ऐसे आप पहले लिख दोगे, so you will get an idea which digit at ones place. So 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 plus 1, 6. Super easy. 4 plus 5, 9. 0 plus 0, 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 3, 6, and 2. So this way you will add the rest of the numbers yourself, as these are the very simple addition. See, I am going to add this. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. See, rest of the addition you will try to do it yourself, as these are revision kind of exercise. Now on the next page number 52, where you will find out the addition with carry. Okay, ये सब carry वाले addition हैं. These are ना super easy additions. First of all, I must say. So I am going to do it the random addition. Rest of the additions that which are left, you have to do it yourself. 3 plus 8. So very simple. The whatever the bigger number na, you will keep it in your mind. After 8, 9, 10, and 11. So you have to count till the 3 cut. 11, 1, carry 1. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1. 8, and 3 plus 2, 5. 427 plus 336. 7 plus 6. So 7 in your mind. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. मैंने कहाँ तक काउंट किया? 6 कट तक काउंट किया. हम फिंगर्स बना सकते हैं, कट से भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. But I am going to show you with the cut, so it will make your work easy. So here is 11. 11 का 1, carry 1, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6, and 4 plus 3, 7. 517 plus 326. So 7 plus 6. 7 in your mind, 6 in your cut. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 5 plus 3, 8. See, you can add it orally as well. देखो ऐसे 9 हमेशा 10 बना लो. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5 15. 6 का मतलब क्या होता है 5 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 5 carry 1, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 2 5. Again 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 8 का मतलब 7 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 17 का 7 carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 2 6. 7 देखो यहाँ पे 5 plus 7, 7 plus 3 2 plus 3, 7 plus 3 10 plus 2 12, 2 carry 1 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 3 7, 7 7 14 plus 1 15 carry 1 6 plus 2 7 plus 1 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, here is a 9, sorry. Now 4 plus 7, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7 and 9. 6 plus 4, 10, 0, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 6, 7, 8. So this way you will add rest of the numbers yourself. See, I am going to do it this. 6, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. You have to learn it to count orally. Rest of the addition you have to do it yourself. Try to practice because practice makes you perfect. Next, on the page number 53, where you will find out exercise number 11, count and add. What you have to do in that? You have to count the stars as 100. Here is 3 star in the first box. How many squares? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. Same thing. यहाँ पर क्या है? 1 2 3 4 4 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 5 boxes, and how many triangles? 1 2 3 4 5 and 4 stars. Now we are going to add 5 plus 10 carry 1, 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10 carry 1, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. So this way you will count all the 100 tens and ones yourself. Fine. 100 matlab stars, tens matlab square and ones matlab triangle. So you have to count this number and write down. एक box का ऊपर, second box का यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So this way you will count each and everything. Now turn your page where you will find out word problems. These are not super easy. See, first number is there are 236 students in the first standard and 185 students in the second standard of a school. So how many total students are there in both the standards? तो दोनों standard में कितने students हैं? So you will narrate this the statements like this. 236 which are students in first standard and plus 185 which are students in second standard. Now we are going to do the addition, then we will find out the total students in both the standard. So we are going to do the addition. 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry 1 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 12, carry 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So 421 students. Now number 3, in garden there are 385 neem tree and 287 ashoka trees. How many total number of trees are there in the garden? Okay, you have to find out the total number of trees. So which are super easy. You will do the addition. दोनों का addition करेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा. So 385 which are neem trees and these are ashok trees. Fine. So 5 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 2, carry 1, 8 plus 8, 16, plus 1, 17, 7, carry 1, 3 plus 2, 5, plus 1, 6. Okay, आपको ऐसे ही practice करनी है oral addition की. So number 5, in a warehouse there are 278 sack of wheat and 492 sack of rice. How many total number of sacks are there in the warehouses? Warehouses मतलब गोडाउन. गोडाउन में इतने wheat है, इतने bag of rice है. sack मतलब bag of rice. Fine. कोथड़े गुजराती में बोले तो. So here 278 which are sacks of wheat and 492 which are sack of rice. So we will do the total for this. 8 plus 2 10 0 carry 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 7 17 7 carry 1 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So 770 which are the total number of bags in warehouse. Now look at here, number 2. A factory made 280 bulbs on first day and 126 bulbs on second days. Then how many total bulbs were made during these 2 days in the factory? 2 दिनों में कितने bulbs बने? एक दिन में इतने बने, second day पे इतने बने. So we are doing addition of it. Then we will find out the total number of bulbs in that day, in that 2 days. So we will do the addition. 280 which are bulb made on say first day, and these are bulbs made on second day. So 0 plus 6 6, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, total bulbs. Now number 4, a shopkeeper had 163 candles. A salesman gave him another 239 candles. Then how many total candles does the shopkeeper have now? Is the sum more or less than 400? Okay. So here 163, दोनों का क्या करेंगे? Addition. Then we will find out the total number of candle altogether. 163 which are number of candles in a shop plus 139 number of candles given by salesman. By doing the addition, 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 12, carry 1 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10 0, carry 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 402 which are total candles, and 402 which are greater than 400. So we can say that the sum is more than 400. Fine. Number 6, Naman scored 163 run in फर्स्ट इनिंग मतलब क्रिकेट में जो पारी होती है, टर्न्स होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट इनिंग में उन्होंने 169 रन एंड 78 रन इन द सेकेंड इनिंग. देन हाउ मैनी टोटल रन डिड ही स्कोर इन बोथ द इनिंग्स? Is the sum more or less than 250? Here 167 runs in first inning and these runs in second inning. So we have to do the addition then, and we will find out the total number of run. So let's do the addition. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 7 17, carry 1 6 plus 1 7, 7 7 7 14, 14 ka 4, carry 1 1 plus 1 2. So 247 which are total number of run. Now look at here on the next page, number 7. Sunil has number 368 red marbles and 256 yellow marbles. How many marbles does Sunil have altogether? Altogether का मतलब पूरा साथ में मिला के. For that you need to do addition of the red marbles and the yellow marbles. So the addition of 368 plus 256 is 624, which are the total number of marbles. See, I show you each and everything written over here, but these two things you will understand yourself. Fine. So